Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact chat where you want to share your live location. Tap the paperclip on Android or the plus sign on iPhone and then choose Location. Grant precise location permission if the phone asks. Without it, live sharing won't work. Once done, you'll see a map preview and options. This step establishes the permissions and chat target, so make sure you're in the correct conversation before proceeding. Mistakes here send your live route to the wrong person. Now tap Share Live Location. That's the key option, not send your current location, which is static. Choose a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, depending on how long you want to be tracked. You can add an optional message explaining why you're sharing. It helps the recipients know context. Once you press send, WhatsApp begins broadcasting your real-time position to the chat. Make sure your phone's GPS and data are active, because the live feed depends on both to update accurately. To finish, tap Stop Sharing in the chat's live location message or open chat info and disable live location there. If the location isn't updating, check GPS is on, mobile data is connected, and background location is allowed. These three must be active. If it still freezes, restart WhatsApp and if necessary, reboot the phone. That clears location service hiccups. One troubleshooting tip: battery saver modes can block updates, so make sure any power saving is turned off while you share live location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.